Name is Kent Goetjen, and I had the pleasure of falling, dislocating my shoulder, breaking a bone, and tearing a rotator cuff, requiring surgery by Dr. Estes. My experience with Dr. Estes and his assistants was very pleasurable. The staff there saw that I had an issue, brought in the doctor. Doctor looked at it, explained to me that I needed surgery. I, of course, wanted to defer it until I had to do it. But he convinced me that I needed to do it right away. He then performed the surgery, explaining what was going to happen, what I needed to expect afterwards. And then he made sure that I had proper follow-up and a proper physical therapy plan. And then he helped me understand what I needed to do to get back to playing golf again. So I was able to start swinging a golf club in about 3 months and actually start playing golf about 6 months later. Based on the experience that I had, I would definitely recommend Dr. Estes. I had very little pain after the fact, I think because I was directed to build strength beforehand. So I've been more than pleased with the results and have recommended the doctor to others with similar issues.